Today, we are making the perfect punch to be served at your summer barbecues. We are making an Arnold Palmer punch because that's a bit of a tongue twister. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you need to do is just brew some iced tea. This is so easy to make. So I just have some black tea. I made 8 cups of black tea. So for each cup that I use 1 tea bag. The one thing I do want to say is don't let it over steep. I steeped it for around 4 to 5 minutes, but if you over steep it, it can make black tea bitter and you don't want a bitter Arnold Palmer. So I just brewed this morning and then chilled it in my fridge so it's nice and cold. And now we can move over and make our lemonade. So here I just have 6.5 cups of water, and to that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of lemon juice. It's a little bit of a windy day, so some things are flying around. So here to make our lemonade, all you need is 1.5 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice, as well as just 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then you just want to stir this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. And you can also taste it at this point, see if you like a little bit of a sweeter lemonade. Also, you can always buy store-bought lemonade, but it tastes so good from scratch that why not make it at home? And it's so easy to make. So you have a few options for assembling the punch. You can do it like I'm doing and have 2 different punches and let people decide how much lemonade to iced tea they want. Or you can mix this all together and add in your alcohol. If you are making it boozy, I would suggest adding 1 to 2 cups of vodka to this drink. But because I have a lot and I'm not throwing a party today, and I want to have some non-boozy iced tea, I am just going to do it in my glass. So first I'm going to add in my ice, and I actually have this fun Tom Collins ice. So you can find this in my YouTube store. So I'm just gonna put one of these in my glass along with some vodka. And you can do 1 to 2 ounces, but I like a stiffer pour, so I'm using 2 ounces. There we go. It's like I've already had some and I haven't. And usually you'll do equal amounts of lemonade to your iced teas. I love a good Arnold Palmer and make it a little boozy. And then I also get some caffeine in there. So I have just a lemon wedge that I'm going to add to the side of my glass. And I'm going to pop out real quick to my garden and grab some fresh mint. Sorry to interrupt, but for all the fantasy readers, I just published my first ever novel. If you want to check it out, you can find the link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code right here. Now we can just add our fresh mint on top as a little garnish. And now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? And I did not have my caffeine today, so I'm very excited for some iced tea. And now it's time to take a taste. I personally love an Arnold Palmer because it's so simple to make and the flavors come together so well. You can't even taste the vodka. I honestly just taste some lemonade and iced tea. This is absolutely delicious. And during the summertime, you want something refreshing and light like this. So I think this is the perfect drink to serve at a summer barbecue. If you'd like to see some more of my punch and cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers!